In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can customize your character on Among Us. So once you've launched the game, all you need to do is tap on online, and then you have options. You can host a game, enter a public game, or send a private invite code to your friends. I'm just going to create a quick game, so I tap on host at the top, and then you can select your map. So I'll select the second one, and I want 2 imposters and I want 7 players. I hit confirm, and now to customize your character, all you need to do is move around until you get to the computer, and then you'll see a customize button pops up at the bottom right. If you tap on that, you'll now have different options of how you can customize your character. You can change the color of your character by tapping on the color. So if I want the yellow, then if you tap on hats, you can choose between all the different hats. And if you tap on the shop icon, you can go ahead and hats. And if you tap on pet, as you can see, I don't have any pets, but you can go ahead and buy one from the shop here. And then you can change your skin. Once again, I don't have any. And that would be how you customize your character on Among Us. Pretty simple to do. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.